DXYZ stock and update Friday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all of this in this short 1 minute video, so watch it till the end. First of all, some super bullish on DXYZ. For a few things need to happen for me to pull the trigger. This is how my technical analysis looks like. I'm going to give you right now in a second what that means, but I'm sitting at 54.50. Just for context, I'm using my strategy that previously has delivered thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. So what I was waiting for, yeah, this is a perfect like representation of what I was not waiting for. I was waiting for a double break. I only got one break here, and you can see one is not enough because, like I said, for me to be, we didn't decide this bullish momentum and this not be a bearish momentum. I want to see double breaks because most of the times only one break is just a fake off, you know. So still, like waiting for the double break to happen. This is only really going to be valid if the price now starts breaking above those highs. But on the other side, if you start breaking beneath, with the full candle closes beneath these lows, then it's really not this prediction, you know. So surely I'm keeping you updated. Right now, we are kind of in a no man's land. So think of it this way: whatever happens inside here, I'm not interested. Let me just template it like that. This is a no man's land. I'm only really interested if the price starts breaking lower or breaking higher. You know, higher is when I pull the trigger. It's obviously not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.